Hello everyone, this is Sumit Arora. Welcomes you all in this video. Today we will discuss how to download Zotero as well as the working of Zotero. Zotero is the reference management software. It helps you to integrate all the reference into single library, and you will cite that references directly into your manuscript, thesis file and project work. For that you need to download the Zotero. In Google, download Zotero download. After clicking this, the first window will open. You have to click the first part, download Zotero. After clicking download Zotero, this window will appear. You need to download both Zotero 6 for Windows and the connector between the Chrome and Zotero. This connector will help you to download the directly download the references into Zotero with the help of this extension. Since I have already downloaded this video for I downloaded this software, so the icon will directly appear on the my desktop. So after clicking this icon, the Zotero window will open. This window will appear like this in your PC or laptop. It contains the folder on the left hand side panel. In the center, all your references that you have added will come here. The details of the reference will come on the right side. We will discuss how to add references in the Zotero, how to maintain or manage your library, and how to insert these references into the Word file. Before that, I will tell you this Word file will have the icon Zotero. After installation of this software, this Zotero icon will automatically appear in your Word file. There is no need to download any plugin for that, because in Mendeley you need to download the installation of citation plugin to integrate your Word file with the Zotero with the Mendeley software. But here in case of Zotero, we will have the advantage of directly appearance of this icon. After clicking this icon, this Zotero window will appear. This will directly link your Windows Word file with the software. So today we will discuss how to add references in the software, and then we will discuss how to insert these references into the Word file. After seeing this panel, you have the plus sign. After clicking the plus sign, you can add any article. Suppose if you want to add book, then click on book. If you want to add book section, document, journal article, newspaper article, mostly we are adding journal article. So after clicking journal article, you can add manually. You need to write the title of the paper, then author, abstract, publication, volume, issues, page number, and DOI, anything you can add manually. And after adding all the details, the window will automatically save the reference. The second thing, you can add the reference by means of identifier. After clicking this identifier, they will ask you to enter ISBN, DOI, PubMed ID, and any other file. For that, only you have to remember that after opening any article on the PubMed, you have to copy this DOI. Suppose I am copying this DOI, Control C, and pasting it in the identifier here and enter. You will see after clicking the enter, the journal article will appear directly here in the right hand side. You can see the title, the author's contribution, the publication, the volume, the age, the issues, and page numbers, URL along with the abbreviation. This reference is directly added here. Extraction of isolation and identification of flavonoid from Chenopodium album aerial plant extract. You can see the name of the author. You can also see the PDF. Since this paper is freely available as an open access, the PDF will directly enter into your library. This will help you to read the PDF. After clicking the PDF symbol, you will have the complete paper on your screen, just like any other PDF. You can highlight it. You can manage the things very positively as you will do in your PDF file here. So we will see the first how to add the reference manually as well as with the help of identifier. Likewise, you can add the reference with the help of the PubMed ID. Since this is the PubMed ID, I will copy this PubMed ID and paste in the identifier and enter. Zotero could not find any identifier in your input. Please verify your input and trigger. If this lockup failed, click to OK. go to extension, click on Zotero. After clicking on Zotero, you will see the PubMed entry and open access. This video or this extension will directly add in Zotero. You can see the one number of references already included. The second one is PubMed. You can check here, you will see the PubMed entry. Because we have added the reference with the help of PubMed ID, this PubMed entry will appear. While in earlier case, only the PDF file is available. This is the difference. If you add the reference with the help of PubMed entry, you have to go for this extension. That's why we have earlier installed the Chrome connector with Zotero. So in this way, you can add any reference in your library. You can check the PDF. If all the articles which are available as a open access, their PDF will directly come in your library. So this will the best option in which you can add. Other options are also there. You can add any PDF directly. For example, if I want to add this PDF from my desktop to this file, directly I will drag this file and send it to my library. Again you will see the directly PDF is added at the title called as Exploring the Active Constituent. All the details are here, the name of the authors, the abstract, the publications and the volumes and all the things. In this way, in these three ways, you can add the reference manually with the help of identifier and again with the help of dragging the PDF which is already available on your PC. So in this way you can maintain the library. You can add any publication in the folder called as My Publication. You can check the duplicate items. If duplicate items means you have to keep the space minimum as possible, because Zotero will give you the 300 MB of free data to be incorporated or added in the library. For that we need to check the duplicate item, and if duplicate items are there, select both the item and select merge. After clicking on merging, the duplicate item will merge into a single file. You will have these three references which are not duplicate or similar. The next part is we will check how to install, how to add this software, add these articles into your Word file, manuscript or thesis file. For that, open the Word file and add any reference. For that, suppose if you want to add any reference in this point, you have to keep the cursor here and go to Zotero and click first option, add and edit citation. After add and edit citation, this window will appear. They will ask you choose the style in which you want to insert the references. Suppose I have selected the nature style and click OK. After clicking OK, this small red color window will appear on your Word file. On clicking this Z, you will have the classic view. After clicking the classic view, you will have the Zotero software on your screen, right? So after selecting this reference, for example, I need to insert this reference called Exploring the Active Constituent term so and so. After clicking this reference, click OK. Once you will click OK, you can see the number 1 is appear here, means the reference number 1 has been installed here. So in this way, likewise, you can install, you can cite any reference. Suppose I want to cite the reference at this place. Again I will go to add citation, then again classic view, select this extraction of references and click OK. You will see the second number of references added. After adding all the references, you need to insert the bibliography. Suppose I want to insert my entire bibliography under reference section. Go to references in the last page and click bibliography. Since both this bibliography will appear here, 1 and 2, no need to write manually the DOI, the page number, journal articles, anything. Second thing is that if you need to change the style of these articles or reference style, go to document preferences. You can change from here Vancouver, modern, anything you can click. If I am clicking Vancouver and saying OK, these references has been changed as per the Vancouver style. So this will definitely reduce the considerable amount of time. If you are adding one references in your thesis and if you are having 200 reference, then it is very difficult to add 200 reference at a single time. It will take much of time. But if you use Zotero as a software, this will reduce your considerable amount of time. And moreover, if you want to publish this paper in certain journal, and accordingly you have to change the reference style as per the instruction of author given by that journal, this Zotero will definitely help you. You have to only click the go to document reference and click the style from this. If the style is available, directly click it on elsewhere like OK. So you will have the changes of references as per author's name, which is the requirement of many elsewhere journal. So accordingly, if you want to add further style, then go to manage style. You will have the next window which will ask you to select one number of styles are there. You have to select any one of the style in which you want to publish your paper or you want to send your paper. After clicking OK, these references will arrange as per your requirement and you can save this file. So in this way you can add n number of references in your Zotero file. After adding all the references, you will have to just click the references and add bibliography. All the reference will appear in your manuscript file and thesis file. This is all about from my side. Hope you enjoy this video. I will continue post more and more video with the of software or any other educational purposes. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.